Hi everybody, welcome back to another trek, a very long overdue trek, and it's been a tough few months to say the least. So apologies for the lack of content recently. Life has a habit of throwing lots of obstacles in the way. Firstly, the summer was amazing. It was an amazing summer. I had a lovely camping holiday with the family. The weather was stunning for most of us, I think. I didn't get out much with the camera, sadly, but it was a busy time. But then things went downhill rather rapidly. Firstly, my sister was taken poorly for the second time with cancer. She had major surgery. Thankfully, she's on the road to recovery. It's going to be a long road for her though, but she's doing well. And then we had a bombshell. Sadly, we lost our dear mum. Suddenly. It was a shock because she was doing okay. She was 95, but she was taken very poorly and we lost her within a day. So it's been a shock and it's been hard to come to terms with, as it is for any loss of a close family member or anybody for that matter, but to have someone, to lose your mum or your parents, it's a terrible loss. So I've struggled to get back out behind the camera, lost my mojo completely, and I missed it. I have missed it. They say time's a good healer, but to be out in nature, there's not a lot better to heal you, really. So I've made that step. I've come out to my local woods and reservoir at Roadford. It's always a beautiful place to come. And no more than this time of year in the autumn. Got a lovely mild sunny day, or breaks in the clouds anyway. We've got a bit of sunshine, so I thought I'd make the most of it and come out and break this duck. I'm glad I did. It's been lovely. We had a look round, had a walk round. Some lovely birds about, and it's good to be back out again. So this video is very much about reflection, really. I'm trying to get my head together, get my mojo back, and I think it's working. Definitely, it's working. So we're going to have a look around, have a wander around, just take it as it comes. As I say, reflect on what's happened. As they say, life goes on, it has to. You know, you've got your family and your friends and your children, and you have to carry on. And I know my mum would want us to carry on as we were. So let's have a look around, enjoy the moment, see what we can see. So there we are. It's been lovely. Just so glad I made that step to get back out and about again. It's been lovely. Missed it big time. Nice bit of bird watching. Always good, always good. And there was quite a lot of the woodland species about, nuthatch, chaffinch, coal tit, blue tit, lots of robins. Always a pleasure with the robin. So yeah, it's only a short one today, but needed to get this video done. It's been too long. But as I said, circumstances, it's all sent to try us. So we're going to wrap that one up there. As I said, it was all about just making that step today, reflecting. And this was for Mum. And I hope to be back out and about again very soon. Don't know where yet, but hopefully it won't be too long. So from glorious Roadford, thanks ever so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you next one. Thanks again.